They walk among us, often unnoticed. Independent, enigmatic, and quietly successful. These are the Sigma males. But what makes them tick? Today, on the Mind Detective channel, we delve into the secret superpower of Sigma males. Their ability to blend in and excel. Forget the alpha male stereotype. Sigma males march to the beat of their own drum. They possess a unique blend of traits. Independent thinkers, self-assured loners, yet surprisingly adaptable. This ability to blend in is often mistaken for weakness. But here's the twist. It's their secret weapon. Sigma males become social chameleons. They're not seeking the constant validation or need for the spotlight that some crave. Instead, they observe like a silent anthropologist, soaking up the nuances of different social settings. They learn the unspoken rules, the unspoken languages of various groups. This allows them to navigate these circles with ease, gaining valuable insights and connections along the way. Unlike chameleons who simply blend visually, Sigma males go a step further. They adapt their communication style, their humor, even their body language to fit the situation. This allows them to build rapport quickly, fostering trust, and potentially forging valuable alliances. It's a skill honed from a place of genuine curiosity, not deception. They're interested in the world around them and the people in it. But blending in doesn't stop at social settings. Sigma males are masters of information gathering. By becoming an inconspicuous observer, they gain access to a wealth of knowledge and experiences that might otherwise be hidden from view. They learn from the successes and failures of others, picking up valuable lessons without directly participating in the drama. This allows them to refine their own strategies and approaches, constantly evolving and adapting to their environment. However, their ability to blend in doesn't equate to fading into the background entirely. Sigma males possess a quiet confidence and inner strength. They're not afraid to stand out when their core values are challenged or when they see an opportunity to advocate for a cause they believe in. This unexpected assertiveness can catch people off guard, highlighting their independent spirit and leadership potential. Here's the key takeaway. Blending in for Sigma males isn't about conformity or sacrificing their individuality. It's about strategic adaptation. It's about understanding social dynamics, knowing when to blend and when to assert themselves. This unique skill set allows them to navigate the complexities of life with remarkable success, thriving in environments where others might struggle. So, the next time you see someone effortlessly navigating different social circles, remember, it might be a Sigma male in action. Their quiet confidence and ability to blend in are the hallmarks of their success. What are your thoughts on the Sigma male archetype? Do you see any of these traits in yourself? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the human mind. Until next time, this is the Mind Detective signing off.